Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back with another summer barbecue recipe. This time I'm making a very easy creamy artichoke spinach pasta salad. You just have to mix everything together and you're ready to go. So if you guys love summer recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the dressing that coats our pasta salad. So in front of me, I have some non-fat Greek yogurt, I've got some light mayo, and actually I'm using Vegenaise, but you can just use regular light mayo. I've got some garlic that I've minced, Italian seasoning, and a tiny bit of red pepper flakes. So I'm just gonna mix this up and then also add in a couple tablespoons of this freshly squeezed lemon juice. And it adds a very nice tang and freshness to the dish. And then mix it all up. All right, so that looks good and nice and mixed together, and it's still thick, even though we kind of thinned it out with a little bit of lemon juice. So now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and it'll be done. So I've already cooked up my pasta. This is just 1 pound of brown rice pasta. You can use any type of pasta you want. I'm gonna add it to my big bowl here. There you go. And then some other ingredients. I've got some chopped spinach. This is just drained artichoke hearts, red, this is just sun-dried tomatoes. This is green onions, and then we've got some black olives. I'm gonna add that all in, along with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. All right, and then we add our dressing. Oh, look at that. And we don't want to waste any of it, so take a spoon and scoop it out. All right, and now you just mix it all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, so it's really up to your taste. I usually add a little bit more black pepper because I like it, and then a pinch of salt. Always better to do less than more, and people can add it if they need more. Okay, and then just mix it all up again. All right, and that is done. How easy was that? Look at how nice and creamy it is. Every single pasta has some of that delicious sauce. So now it's time to plate to do a little taste test. So I have a bowl right here. Oh, yes. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh basil from the garden. Yum. And then you serve with a little bit extra lemon. So if people want more, they can do that. And that is it. Time to taste test. And really, I'm just excited about that sauce. Okay. You know, a creamy like artichoke dip? That is what this tastes like, except you have pasta added to it. So it's absolutely delicious. Perfect for a summer barbecue recipe. If you guys like quick recipes like this, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.